Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome back. This is my channel. I'm excited today. I got a few things I just lost for words. How'd you like that new intro? Yeah, I compiled a few different videos from previous shaves, try to spice it up a little bit. Let's start off with talking about the Omega brush here. This is a Badger brush. I've used it several times. I don't reach for it as often as I used to. I'm going to go ahead and get that soaking. And while that's soaking, I'll go ahead and wet the face. Last few videos I've done, been doing some pre-shave. Well, I wanted to test this out. This is just the old Pear Bar soap. And I've heard some things about it. I'm going to give it a shot. So, wet the face. You can pick this up at your local box store. It's slick. Really no smell to it. It's Monday. I couldn't wait till Sunday to do another video, so I figured, why not? Let's just do another one. Why not? All right, so here's one of the razors. I've had this for a while. I just haven't got around to using it. This is the Twig by Leaf. Kind of has that retro look, and it's really pretty neat for the fact that you just spin this bottom knob and the top part opens up for you and you put in your blade. Well, you know me, I love the Gillette Silver Blue, so that's what I'm going to be using. This takes a half blade, so whenever you get your blade out, you can either snap them in half, or if you want to, you can just clip them with a regular pair of scissors. So you're only using half of this. You just set it into that little tray, which I'm not going to try to do it in the camera view there. And then just give her a little twist and she'll sit right back down on there. Very nice. Well, I bought this razor for my wife. I was trying to get her into doing a little wet shaving, and she was just, you know, kind of nervous about that blade for some reason. And so I used it several times, and you know, it's a mild razor. I liked it. But then I seen a video that Chris did, and I thought, wow, you know, well, I reached out to Adam over there at Leaf, and we worked out a little deal. What's in this box, you say? Well, I kind of feel like I'm going back to the Army, because we're going to be talking some code words and operation. No, but seriously, this is a more aggressive razor made by Leaf, and this is called the Thorn. And so, you know, when you look at it, you're like, they look the same. Which one's which? Well, if you take a look here, see if I can get it to focus. Right here, this is the Twig, and this one is the Thorn. Can you see the difference in this base plate here? This one's quite a bit thicker. Same deal. Open this up. She gets ready for a new blade. So this is kind of going to be a comparison shave, because I can't wait to see what this is like versus the Twig. Blade sits in there real nice. And since these both have the same finish, I'm going to try to keep one on one side and one on the other. So we're going to do the twig on my left side, but will probably be on your right side of the screen. And the soap for today is going to be Stirling Sandpiper. This is Stirling week. I'm going to do an all Stirling shave, but it's probably going to be Sunday, because I don't know if I want to knock out another video on Wednesday. So just check it out on Facebook and Instagram. I'll have some of my other Stirling shaves there. But the scent profile on this is definitely a nice, crisp, clean, masculine scent. But I'll put a little picture there with the scent profile. Since I've gabbed quite a bit, I will re-wet my face here real quick. And I got something else in the mail on Saturday. I was excited. I was already planning on doing my other video for Sunday, so I couldn't help it. But I ordered a new shave bowl from the Black Frog House, and it's got some texture in there. Kind of excited to try that out. Really doesn't impact the shave of the day, but you know, as far as shave performance. But we'll get that in there. Man, I can already smell this in the bowl. Man, it smells really good. Since my brush has been soaking here, we'll just shake out whatever we got in there. Start lathering. Beautiful. What are they doing up there? My wife's walking around. I said, baby, I'm gonna be doing a shave video. You know, like when I would do classes in the Army, sometimes there was tests at the end. So you can't just give out the answer. So as you're giving your little lecture and there was something you wanted somebody to remember, you would just tap your foot. So my instance of, hey honey, I'm gonna be doing a shave video, that means be quiet. Oh, I love her dearly. Man, look at that lather. She just coming to life. I'm gonna call that good. Good enough for me. All right. This brush is, even though it's a animal hair, it's not, it's pretty soft. You know, it's not as rigid as the boar brush. And the one reason I do like the boar brush is I feel like it helps get that soap underneath the hair or the stubble kind of lifted up. And it does a little bit of exfoliating at the same time, which is nice. I feel like it helps prevent the, you know, like if ingrown hairs, basically. So, just, you know, my preference. Now, you know, with the boar brush, you can go overboard with it and you can cause brush burn. I don't know. That's what I'm going to call it. Warmed up the razor. See how this goes. Only got 1 day's worth of growth. No problem knocking that down. Rinses really well. You can hear it singing a little bit. Now, the moment I've been waiting for. There's a little bit more blade feel to it. Rinse as well. I like that better. Oh yes, I like that. Thank you, Adam. Now he did say that that razor is not really available. It's kind of something they're trying out. So if you're wanting to get a hold of one, you may contact him. He may be able to get one for you. I don't know. I don't know if that's something they're going to offer or not. Or, you know, some people just not real big into aggressive razors. It's, you know, it's more aggressive, but, you know, it's not super aggressive. Yep. Let's go for pass 2. I almost feel like the soap could use a little bit more water. Good lather. And if you can't wear it on your shirt, every time I wear this shirt, I always kind of get the glimpse of this out of my peripheral, and I always think there's something on my shirt. And I remember, oh, that's part of the design. I feel like with this one, you could almost not be cautious with it and, you know, be pretty safe. I think you can do that with this one as well. Do a cold water rinse here. Ice cube. I feel like the ice cube, it does help. It helps close those pores up. Since it's Stirling week, let's just go green with the old Lancaster black sheep towel. There you go, a head-to-head comparison of the twig versus the thorn. If you like a mild shave, the twig will do it. If you like an aggressive shave, this is just a little bit above mild. Excellent razor. And I've seen different reviews with people that, you know, it doesn't matter what you have, gold spoon, silver spoon. Some people are happy with either one, and some people will just never be happy. So, you know, you can listen to me or not listen to me. I mean, it's really a personal preference thing. So, you know, you're going to have to do what you like. All right, get off my soapbox. I do have the matching splash. Seems like that restrictor is a little smaller in that one. You know, I forgot to mention earlier when I was talking about the scent on this, it's an homage to another cologne. I'll put a picture of that cologne right there for you. And I meant to get my matching balm out, but just have to go with the Star Jelly. Menthol, menthol. It's not Monday. I mean, it's not menthol Monday, but you can never not have enough menthol. All right, well, I know on the last video I forgot to put a picture right here of all the things I used, so I'll put a picture today of the stuff I used. And man, excellent shave. Both razors performed well. And there was something I was wanting to say about that Pear soap. It's not a tallow based soap, it's that kind of soap. And so it's supposed to be, you know, where it absorbs the water, keeps the water in, and that's what I was wanting to tell. I can definitely tell the difference between either one of the Stirling soaps. You know, the price wise, it's not really that much difference in price, but performance wise, the Stirling pre-shave soap is definitely better than the Pear soap. But if you don't have access to the Stirling soap, and some places, you know, you can't get it overseas, you know, grab you some of the Pear soap. It'll work. You know, I'm just experimenting around with a little bit of pre-shave because I feel like, you know, if you're having issues with shaving, the best thing to do is prepare. You know, so if you prepare your face for the shave, you're going to have probably less problems. And then if you take care of it post-shave, same thing. You know, you just want to get the best shave that you can. Well, I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you very much for the new subscribers. Man, you know, I feel like, you know, before I said 1,000's far away, and I was shooting for 750 for my next giveaway, but I've seen, you know, several new subscribers, and I'm thinking 750 may not be that far away. So keep watching, guys, and have a good shave. Thank you.